Hi guys, well welcome back to Allotment Diggers. Saturday morning and it's absolutely freezing. I'm not kidding you. It's brass monkey weather. -2 it is. I've come down to basically to break the ice on the chickens and put new drinking water in for them. I'll be doing that same thing on the community chickens as well. But reason why I'm doing this video is obviously it's competition results time, and what I'm going to do once I get home in a moment or two, I'm going to run the competition and obviously put it through the generator that I always use, and whoever comes up first obviously won the prize. What I will say to you, if you've won, you can send me your details by clicking onto my YouTube channel, click onto About Me, and there's a link there, an email address. Click on the email and you can send me an email of your details, and then I can get your prize off to you. So the sooner you do that, the better. When I get home in a moment, I'll show you where you got to click and what you got to, and then you can send me a message. No, it's quite simple to do. Obviously we're going to be using the same generator that I've always used, and first one what pops up's the winner. So anyway, I've got a few jobs to do here, but we're going to switch now to home, and then right smack bang in front of that computer, and we're going to do the draw. So good luck to every one of you, and thanks for taking part. And we'll be right back
at home, and we're on my laptop, and I've put all the names from this competition. As you can see, they're all here in this file. And what I've done, I've copied them and I've pasted them into here. So let me quickly show you, to scan down so you can see all the names. There they are. Awesome. So these are all the names. Okay. Last one was The World's Watching, Carl Williams, Rod Hollowell, Bill Duffy, and you know, it keeps going. I'm not going to read all the names out because it's just too many of them. So if you stop, you'll be able to see it anyway. It's difficult holding the camera while I'm trying to scroll up. Anyway, what I'm going to do now is this random picker, and the name should come down at the bottom of the page. So I'm going to click on that. So good luck to everyone, and here the winner is okay, I can't believe that. What's it say there? Sean James Cameron from Diary of a Garden, UK Gardener. Hey, I can't believe he's won. Stuffy bugger. And well, there you go, guys. So Sean, what I need you to do, mate, is send your details, and I can get your prize off to you. I think because YouTube have actually changed the messaging now. The only way you can do it is if you go there. You got me details there, my email. Just email me your details, and I can send you your thingy off to you, your prize. So yeah, well, Sean's won. Well done, Sean. And just to show it's not a fluke, I'm just going to press that button again, and just to show there's another name will appear. Digwell Greenfinger would have been next, and if I do it again, Brandon Mullen. So anyway, Sean's the winner. Congratulations, Sean. If you can send me your details, mate, I can get your prize away to you. So everybody else, I'm sorry, but I will be putting another couple of competitions up after the new year. So keep watching, and we'll do this again sooner rather than later. So there you go. That's it. Congratulations, Sean. You're the winner, stuffy bugger.